Find the zeros and verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. Here we have one more question. 3x square minus x minus 4. Let me write 3x square minus x minus 4. Here coefficient of x square is 3 as well as constant term is minus 4. So I have to multiply this. 3 into minus 4 is equals to minus 12. Minus 12 can be written as 4 into 3. Minus 4 into 3 is equals to minus 12. Minus 4 plus 3 is equals to minus 1. So here middle term is minus 1. So here minus 1. So what we supposed to do? If you multiply, you have to get the product. If you add or subtract, you have to get the middle term. So we have to choose the factors like that, 4 and 3. So here it can be written as 3x square minus x minus 4 can be written as 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. X can be written as like this. If you subtract this, minus 4x plus 3x is equals to minus x only, 1x. So 3 4s are 12, same product. Now make this is one group as well as this is one group. From this group, can we take anything common? So x is common. If you take x common, so here 3x will remain and minus 4. Here 3x minus 4, there is nothing common. So if there is nothing common, that means don't say nothing common, 1 is a common. So take plus 1 as common. If you take plus 1 as common, you will get to 3x minus 4 will remain same. Here 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4, they must be equal. So again take 3x minus 4 as common. If you take 3x minus 4 as common, here x plus 1. And these are the factors. So 3x minus 4, let us take 0. So 3x is equals to 4, x is equals to 4 by 3, and here x plus 1 and x is equals to minus 1. So here alpha is equals to 4 by 3 and beta is equals to minus 1. You can take this is alpha, this is beta, no problem, but both are 2 zeros only. Now come to the point, what we supposed to, we have to verify the relation. Alpha is equals to 4 by 3, beta is equals to minus 1. We have to verify the relation. What is the relation here? Let me write the polynomial, quadratic polynomial. 3x square 3x square minus x minus 4. We have to compare this first. Standard quadratic polynomial, ax square plus bx plus c. Here a equals to 3 and b is equals to, here there is nothing, don't say nothing. Coefficient of x is equals to minus 1. So b is equals to minus 1, c is equals to minus 4. Now sum of the two zeros. Sum of the two zeros is equals to alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. Alpha is equals to, we have already. Here we have alpha is equals to 4 by 3 plus beta is equals to minus 1. Then minus will remain same. Beta is equals to here, b is equals to here minus 1 and a is equals to here 3. So here we had to simplify this. 4 by 3 plus it minus 1, that is equals to minus it minus plus 1 by 3. Here by right one, do cross multiply. 4 ones are 4 minus 3 ones are 3 by 3, that is equals to 1 by 3. 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. So 1 by 3 is equals to 1 by 3. LHS and RHS are equal. Now product we have to find. Product alpha beta is equals to c by a. Alpha is equals to, we know that 2 zeros. Alpha is equals to 4 by 3 into beta is equals to minus 1, and c here, c is equals to, here we have c is equals to minus 4 minus 4 by a is equals to, also we know a is equals to 3. So a is equals to 3, c by a. Now here we have to multiply left side, 4 into minus 1, minus 4 only, by 3, and here also minus 4 by 3. LHS is equals to RHS. So after getting the two zeros, we have to verify the relationship between like this zeros and coefficients. These are the two zeros, and this is the sum and this is the product.